Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. We're doing the face, starting off with the face, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and start with our oil. I'm using Milk Makeup Oil, and I like to apply this underneath all of that makeup that we're about to apply. For some reason, first of all, it gets rid of any, dryness that you have going on. Of course, you still want to moisturize and everything, but my makeup glides on like butter, okay? It just slides and glides and blends a whole lot better when my skin is nicely prepped, moisturized, and when I apply this oil by Milk Makeup. So the next step is applying my step one by Makeup Forever. And for some reason, I just feel like this just locks it in. Like this combined with the oil, I like it. I really like it. So now these brows, honey. Okay, so we've been in quarantine for quite a minute now. And I've been trying to groom and maintain my brows myself. Yeah. So... I went ahead and penciled them in a little bit darker than normal. For some reason, when I do my brows before my makeup, I always go overboard. Like they're overdrawn, they're too dark. And then I clean them up, soften them up with my concealer. So you're gonna see me go in, clean up my brows with the concealer and just, soften it up. So it looks scary right now, but it's gonna all come together, I promise you. Alright, so now we're going in with my foundation. So I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I can't remember the name, but I will put that down in the description box. I got this from Target. I believe Walmart sells e.l.f. foundations as well, as you can order them online. I'm just using a flat blending brush or flat powder brush to apply the foundation. And I put like half a pump. I did not use a lot of foundation because I'm trying to go lighter with foundation these days. As normal, we're going in and we're highlighting as well as concealing any, puffiness, dark circles, or anything we have going on underneath the eyes. Also, this is highlighting, so if you want to bring a little bit of brightness towards the center of your face, then you also do this step. I normally like to go maybe like 1 or 2 shades lighter than my foundation color, and we're just blending that out with a sponge. So next I'm going to contour, and I'm using a powder from Black Up Cosmetics, and this is their contouring palette. I just go in with the darker shade, a small blending brush, and I just go in the contour parts of my cheekbones, the hollow points of my cheekbones, and temple areas. I also like to take that lighter powder in that same palette and just set the concealer with it. Also blend out a little bit of that contour, that harsh line. And this is just going to make sure that everything is blended right. Like you don't want harsh lines between your highlight and your contour. So now I'm going to take the same brand concealer by e.l.f. and this is in a darker shade, and I'm applying this to my lid simply because I want a deeper color, a rich, darker color for the look that I'm doing today. So this eyeshadow palette is actually not from a brand. It's just some random eyeshadows I received from a vendor that I'm debating if I want to use them for my future eyeshadow palettes that I want to add to my collection. So I'm just testing things out and using them, different makeup tutorials, and seeing if I like them before I, jump on that project next. But so far, I'm just using, some of the eyeshadows, and they're applying very well. The pigmentation is there. You guys let me know how it appears to you on your end. and we'll go from there. So I applied eyeshadow in my crease from that palette. It's also on my lid, and I'm just going in and blending my crease out so that it blends in with my brow bone and also my crease. Of course, my lashes is going to be from the Stacye collection, but today, you guys, okay, so I'm always wearing Flirty, but today I'm wearing Pretty Minks. And they are perfect for this look. They're not overpowering because I really want the focus to be some of the eyeshadow and also the lips. You know, Flirty lashes really always steal the show, so I didn't want to wear those today. Okay, so we're applying our mascara. Now we're going to the lips. The first color, you guys, this is Him Nudes. This is one of the nude colors in my collection. And you can see it goes on without even applying a lip pencil. It looks so pretty and blended. Perfect for my skin complexion. Of course, I am going to apply a lip pencil. And this is by Colourpop. Do not come for me for this. You know, do not come for me for how small this pencil is. Okay? Do not. This is my favorite lip pencil from Colourpop. And I refuse to get rid of it. Okay? So you can see it blends perfectly with the lipstick. I love how it looks. I also wanted to show you how it looks with a lip gloss from my collection. This is actually my daughter's collection called the Mini-Me collection. And this is the Daddy's Girls lip gloss. It is so pretty on top of that nude color. I absolutely love it. It's one of those iridescent or holographic lip glosses. So pretty. This next color is called Girls Trip. It is a bright fawn color. And then we're gonna go into our red lipstick, of course. This is called Hi-Klass. And these are all matte shades, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. All 3 lip colors will be available for sale. They are available on my website, and I will put that link in the description box. Have a good day, you guys. Bye. Stay flawless, boo.